This video is for anyone who has purchased a brand new Android or iPhone and you come to find out that your internet speeds are extremely slow, meaning videos and pages are not loading properly. So this method I'm going to show you right here is on my Android, but it should work the same way on an iPhone as well. What you want to do is go to your settings, click on connections. Then you want to click on mobile networks. Then you're going to want to find network mode. So click on network mode and then switch it to 3G, 2G. Once you have done that, go ahead and click on the arrow back button and exit out and save. Now go back into the menu to make sure that your selection did in fact save. And as you can see, it did. Then you're going to want to restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, your internet speeds and video browsing should begin to properly load at much faster speeds. I found that this was the best method that worked for me personally, so enjoy.